How many sectors are there to invest in? What are the different sectors that you can invest in on the Indian stock exchanges? One of the ways in which people take investing decision is by analyzing the performance of a particular sector. Typically, when a sector performs well, most likely the stocks in the sector also perform well, though many times it may happen that particular company in the sector is performing way better than the sector because of its scale and size. Sometimes it becomes easier to narrow down on a stock when you know the sector you want to invest in. So, if the technology sector is doing well post the pandemic, then you could pick a good technology stock. Or if travel is likely to rebound after the unlock, then you might want to invest in a good travel and hospitality company. So what are the sectors in the Indian stock market? One way to see the sectors available for investment is to look at sectoral indices of the stock exchanges. For example, National Stock Exchange has 14 sectoral indices. These include Nifty Bank Index, Nifty Healthcare Index, Nifty IT Index, Nifty Auto Index, Nifty Media Index, Nifty Metal Index, Nifty Private Bank Index, Nifty Pharma Index, Nifty Consumer Durables Index, Nifty Financial Services Index, Nifty Oil and Gas Index, Nifty Realty Index, Nifty PSU Bank Index, Nifty FMCG Index. Bombay Stock Exchange has 19 sectoral indices. These include S&P BSE Basic Materials, S&P BSE Consumer Discretionary Goods and Services, S&P BSE Energy, S&P BSE Fast Moving Consumer Goods, S&P BSE Finance, S&P BSE Healthcare, S&P BSE Industrials, S&P BSE Information Technology, S&P BSE Telecom, S&P BSE Utilities, S&P BSE Auto, S&P BSE Bank X, S&P BSE Capital Goods, S&P BSE Consumer Durables, S&P BSE Metal, S&P BSE Oil and Gas, S&P BSE Power, S&P BSE Realty, S&P BSE Tech. While these are key sectors, listed companies are categorized across many other sectors. For example, sectors like aviation, cement, chemicals, shipping, textiles, sugar, retail, defense, infrastructure, etc. If you want to invest in a particular sector, you can find out index-based funds that are linked to that sector. For example, the S&P BSE BankX is a BSE index that tracks the BFSI sector. If you want to invest in the sector as a whole, you can find index funds that are based on the BSE BankX. If you want to know more about sectors in the Indian stock markets, do visit www.hdfcsec.com.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.